In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Eventbrite link. If you've ever wanted to customize your event's URL for a more personal touch, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process of editing your link on a desktop, which is the best method for this task. First, you'll need to access your event dashboard. Start by logging into your Eventbrite account. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Manage My Events. Click on that and you'll see a list of your events. Select the event for which you want to edit the URL. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for all the changes we're about to make. Now that you're on your event page, let's locate the event link. At the top of this page, you'll notice a URL that looks something like yourlink.eventbrite.com. This is your current event URL. It's important to know where this is because this is what you'll be editing. Next, let's move on to editing the link. Look for the small edit icon, which looks like a pencil, right next to your event URL. Click on it to start the editing process. Here you can type in your new custom link. For example, if your event is a concert in 2026, you might want to type My Concert 2026. Eventbrite will automatically transform this into myconcert2026.eventbrite.com. Remember, you can't use spaces or special characters in this custom URL. This step is important because it makes your event link more memorable and personal. Once you've typed in your new link, it's time to save your changes. Click the Save button. After you do this, your new link will become active immediately. You might still be able to use the old link, but your new custom link will be the primary one from now on. This is a crucial step because it ensures that your changes are saved and applied correctly. Now, let's go over some important things to keep in mind. Although your new link is active, the old link might still work. However, you cannot redirect the old link to your new URL. If someone else is already using the custom name you want, you'll need to choose a different one. It's best to change your link before you share the event widely to avoid any confusion. These considerations are essential because they help you manage your event's online presence more effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your Eventbrite link. By customizing your URL, you're making it easier for your audience to remember and access your event. This small change can significantly impact your event's promotion and accessibility. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, happy event planning!